What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you all. And today we got another banger video for you guys, all right? That is because we have another e-bike to review. This one's by a company called Velotrick. I'm already liking the box. It's beautiful, guys. This bike is gonna be a commuter style e-bike. All that I ask is that you hit that like button one time for your boy, and let's just get into the joint. Wow, guys, I'm already liking what I'm seeing. So the color that I ended up going with is the mango. Check these tires out. We got the tan walls. I've always wanted a bike with tan walls. These are beautiful. I don't know about you, but I'm excited, guys. Let's go ahead and assemble this bike. I think I might be in love. Look at the freaking color on this bike. The color is mango, and I already have a name for her. Her name is gonna be Wet Mango. That's not creative at all, but if you guys know, you know. We are working with hydraulic brakes. They are unbranded, but hydraulic brakes are gonna be way better than mechanical regardless. It does have ergonomic grips. These are rubber and they feel really good. This does have a thumb throttle on the right hand side. We'll test that out when we ride it. It comes with a 7-speed Shimano shifter. Here's the LCD screen. We'll turn it on when we actually ride the bike. Comes with a little bell. It's not really working. Here's the control panel. It has a power button and a plus and minus button. This bike is rocking 26 by 2.5 inch tires. Here's the hydraulic brake right here, and it's a 180 millimeter disc. Here's the front headlight right here. It does come with front and rear fenders. It also comes with front suspension, guys. We'll test that out as well. The battery is integrated into the frame, and it is color matched to the paint. It does look like it has a mid-drive, but it actually has a hub motor. Speaking of hub motors, I believe this is a 500 watt. Yeah, this is a 500 watt hub motor, guys. It does have a Shimano tourney derailleur. This is what I look like on the bike. Feels pretty comfortable to me. Yeah, I think I'll leave the seat this height, guys. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. There she is. All right, guys, let's just ride around the park and see how she rides right out of the box. Here we go. All right, let's do a lap around this park real quick. One thing that I am noticing is that the pedal assist is linked to the throttle, which means if you're in pedal assist 1, the throttle will only take you so fast. If you want to go faster, you got to take it up a notch. And if you want to reach the top speed, you have to put it in pedal assist 5, okay? Let's go ahead and put it in pedal assist 5 and just rip around this park really quick. Oh yeah, the power feels good. It has really nice acceleration. It's not too much, but it's just right. One thing you have to remember is that this bike is catered to like a daily commuter. Ooh, it's kind of quick. Let's change these gears. All right, this time we're gonna pedal, see how comfortable that is. Currently in gear 5. The gearing on this is very good. I don't feel like a hamster. If I do want a little bit more resistance, I can bump it up to 7. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This bike makes you want to pedal. And you guys know me, I really don't like pedaling. We do have to take it back home and fully charge it, and then at that point we will take it on a top speed run and a hill climb test. All right, guys? What's up, guys? We're at the designated spot about to perform this top speed run. The first one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how accurate the speedometer is. Currently reading out 13 miles per hour. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty close. We have a pretty accurate speedometer. Looks like the top speed throttle only is 20 miles per hour, guys. All right, guys, the next test is gonna be pedal assist. We're gonna put it in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, here we go. Had to help it out with the throttle to start, but here we go. We are pedaling. The speedometer is accurate. Let's see if we can go faster than 20 miles per hour. No, I can feel the motor cutting out at 20, so I think this is going to be the top speed on this bike, guys. Currently on my way to my next destination, which is the hill climb test. I'm loving the suspension on this bike. Now this is only front suspension, so this would be considered a hardtail, but man, you might can use this as a mountain bike, guys. All right, guys, we're at the designated hill climb test spot. About to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Let's see how she handles up this hill. Now this is only a 500 watt e-bike, so I'm not expecting the best, but it should do pretty decent, okay? All right, let's see. Currently approaching the hill. We are slowing down, but let's see where we're at. We are at 12 miles per hour and slowing down even more. 8. Yeah. Hey, it's still moving though. All right, guys, next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Now we should do a little bit better because we are using that leg strength. Here we go. Let's see. We're moving. Let's see how fast we can go. 18 miles per hour. Let's see, I'm not gonna work so hard. Let's see how fast we can go. 16. I'm slightly working. I'm slightly helping it out, guys. Slightly, ever so. Yeah, we're still slowing down. I think we can make it up the hill though without the bike dying. Here we go. Here we go. Almost there, there, okay. All right, guys, this is the Velotric Discover One high step electric bike. It comes in a couple different colors. This one is the mango, also comes in a cayenne, a gray, and a pearl, guys. So depending on what color you get determines the price. This one itself is going for $11.99. So this bike comes with a 48 volt, 14.4 amp hour battery, guys. It's stored right here inside the frame. It looks nice and sleek. It is removable, so you can charge it inside the house. Like I said earlier, this is a 500 watt e-bike, which means this is a class 2. It comes with 5 levels of pedal assist, a thumb throttle. This bike does come with hydraulic brakes versus mechanicals, and in my testing, they worked perfectly fine. More about this motor, it actually peaks at 900 watts, and it also has 65 newton meters of torque. The range they're claiming with pedal assist, you can get up to 60 miles, and with throttle, you can get 45 miles, which is really good. Overall, I like the bike. I really love this color, it stands out. It's a head turner for sure. I'm happy that they didn't go cheap on the brakes. I love to see when a bike has hydraulic brakes. I really like these big tires, 26 inch. I'm a tall guy, so I feel like anybody over 6 feet should probably look into getting like a 26 inch bike. Yeah, other than that, it was a smooth ride. It's not the fastest bike, but I think for the price, I think it's a really good deal. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. That's gonna do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if so, hit the like button one time. We'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Like that.